In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the email footer in HubSpot. Let's get started by guiding you through the process, step by step, so that you can customize your email footers just the way you want. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, the initial step is to head over to the user guide within HubSpot. This can be found easily on your dashboard. Think of this section as your starting point where you can access various features and settings available in your HubSpot account. Next, once you're in the user guide, you'll want to locate the settings menu. This is typically represented by a cog icon, often found in the top right corner of your interface. Clicking on this will lead you to a new realm of customization options, vital for managing many components of your HubSpot account. After you've clicked on the settings, you'll notice a sidebar with various categories listed. For our task today, click on the Marketing section. This is where all your email marketing settings and related functionalities reside. It's crucial to pay attention to this section because it's key to reaching your audience effectively. Once you are in the marketing section, look for the option labeled Email in the submenu that appears. Clicking on this will route you to a more specific area where configuration for email-related settings takes place. Here, you will have the capability to explore different features of email marketing that HubSpot offers, and specifically target your email footer settings. Now, moving forward, locate the option that allows you to edit the email footer. This will usually be titled something straightforward like Edit, or may appear as an icon that represents editing capabilities. Clicking on this will take you to a specific configuration area where you can make your desired changes to the email footer. In this editing section, you'll have the freedom to tailor your email footer to better align with your brand's needs. You can tweak anything from legal information to branding elements such as your company logo or contact details. Remember, the email footer is a crucial part of your email because it provides recipients with concise information about your business, while also keeping your emails compliant with various laws like the CAN-SPAM Act. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, take a moment to review all your changes to ensure accuracy and consistency with your brand image. Before closing out, save your changes. This ensures that your edited email footer will be applied to future marketing emails, effectively maintaining your brand's professionalism and compliance in all communications. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to edit an email footer in HubSpot. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you find your way around customizing your email settings to better suit your business needs.